Today we are going to start the secret code, revealing the strategy. Very important secret you have to know.
So what is this secret code? It's something called affiliate marketing. Essentially, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services that other companies offer. You don't need to create a product, handle customer service, or worry about shipping. All you do is recommend a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. Now, this sounds simple, but there's a right way to do it, and that's what I'll walk you through.
Step 1. You have to choose the right platform.
First, you need to choose the right affiliate platform. Some of the biggest and most trusted platforms are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Each of these platforms offers thousands of products in different niches, so you can find something that aligns with your interests and your audience's needs. Example: for instance, let's say you're passionate about fitness. You could promote fitness equipment or online training programs from companies that offer high commissions. If tech is more your thing, you could recommend gadgets from Amazon. The key here is to pick a niche that you genuinely care about because it will be easier to stay motivated and create content around it.
Step 2. Building a high-converting funnel.
Next, you need to create what's called a sales funnel. A funnel is essentially the path that a potential customer takes from first discovering your content to making a purchase. This often involves a few steps, like capturing their email, providing them with valuable information, and eventually directing them to an offer. So how to set up a funnel? You can build a simple funnel using tools like lead pages or ClickFunnels, which allow you to create landing pages designed to capture leads and nurture them toward a sale. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you could create a free guide on 10 tips to lose weight fast and offer it in exchange for an email address. After that, you'll send them follow-up emails with helpful content and a link to the product you're promoting. Step 3 is driving traffic. Now that you have your funnel set up, you need to drive traffic to it. There are two main ways to get traffic: organic and paid. Organic traffic involves using free methods like search engine optimization, SEO, social media, or content marketing to attract visitors. Paid traffic, on the other hand, involves using ads on platforms like Facebook or Google to get immediate results. Example: if you're using YouTube, for example, you could create videos related to your niche, like best fitness equipment for 2024, and include affiliate links in the description. This type of organic content can continue generating traffic for months or even years. Alternatively, you could run Facebook ads targeting people who are interested in fitness and direct them to your landing page. Step 4 is optimization and scaling. Once you're driving traffic, it's time to optimize your funnel to increase conversions. This is where you start testing different elements, like headlines, images, or calls to action to see what works best. You'll also want to track your results using tools like Google Analytics to figure out where your traffic is coming from and how it's converting. Example of scaling. For example, if you find that a particular YouTube video is bringing in a lot of traffic, you might decide to create more videos on similar topics or even invest in paid ads to boost that content. The goal is to keep tweaking and improving your process to maximize your earnings.
Let me talk about the tools you need.
Essential tools for success. To make this process more efficient, you'll need some tools to automate and optimize your work. Here are a few must-haves. Number 1. Email marketing tool. You'll need an email marketing tool like ConvertKit or MailChimp to capture leads and nurture them with automated emails. This will help you build relationships with your audience and drive more sales over time. Number 2. Landing page builder. Lead pages or ClickFunnels will help you create professional-looking landing pages that convert visitors into leads or customers. You don't need to be a designer or coder to use these tools. Number 3. Analytics tools. Tools like Google Analytics or Hotjar will help you understand how visitors are interacting with your funnel, where they're dropping off, and how you can improve your results.